Coconut oil is a great natural remedy for hair growth. Here's how to use it effectively. First, start with virgin unrefined coconut oil, okay? It has all the nutrients that you need. So basically, warm a small amount in your hands until it melts and apply it to your scalp and your hair. So massaging your scalp gently helps it improve the blood flow, which can boost your hair growth. Next, focus on the ends of your hair as they can get dry and damaged. You can leave the coconut oil for about 30 minutes or overnight for some deep treatment. If you leave it overnight, cover your hair with a shower cap to avoid getting oil on your pillow, obviously. After waiting, wash your hair with shampoo. So sometimes you may need to shampoo twice to remove all the oil. You can do this treatment once a week for best results. Many people also mix coconut oil with other oils like olive oil or essential oils for extra benefits. All right? Using coconut oil regularly can help make your hair stronger, shinier, and healthier, which can support your hair growth over time. All right? It's good for you.